Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Word's Dictate feature and granting the microphone permission. Open Word, sign into your Microsoft 365 account, then click Dictate on the Home ribbon. Make sure the correct microphone is selected in Windows and in Word, otherwise speech won't register. Once done, set Dictate language to match your speech. You're ready to begin speaking short phrases because Word's engine performs best with clear, deliberate input. Keep your environment quiet. Background noise reduces accuracy immediately. You now focus on how to drive word by voice and why that matters. Speak punctuation words to place commas, periods, question marks, and new lines. Word does not infer them reliably. Use short clauses, pause briefly after commands, and correct mistakes immediately, either by voice or by hitting Ctrl+Z then redictating. Once done, enable automatic updates so Word gets language model improvements. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes. That trains both you and the system and noticeably reduces repeated errors. You're at the finishing steps. Save your work and optimize reliability. Use auto-save or press Ctrl+S often and create auto-text entries for common phrases to speed final editing. If accuracy suddenly drops, make sure microphone drivers are current, change the USB port, or reboot Word. These steps resolve most issues. Finally, if Dictate still fails, switch to Windows Speech Recognition or a reputable third-party transcriber as a fallback. One tip: recalibrate or rewrite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.